Look at his tooth, it's so loose. Move your head, Caleb. Doggone it. Look how loose that is.
Okay.
Let me look.
Ow. It hurts.
It hurts because it's rubbing up against your tooth. Where's my little...
Little what?
Are they like wiggling it? Matt's videotaping it. Stop. It's all wet.
Babe, oh my God!
Use your shirt. No, I don't have like a piece of tissue paper. It's all wet.
Oh!
I almost had it. One. Stop it. Joshua, put your hands down.
Cut off the veil.
No, he's videotaping.
Veil?
It came out. Look at that.
Smile.
Cheese. Look at Caleb. Okay, here you go. I don't want it.
Gimme.